What's up, YouTube? This your girl, Esther Hardcade, Lil E, Queen Heart Kennels. Sorry I've been posting a lot of videos, but it's a pretty good reason why. You know, I live in Chicago, and you know it's real windy, cold, and you know I have asthma, and so when you hear me cough in my previous videos, because you know my asthma is windy, and so I haven't really, you know, been wanting to do no videos or whatever, because I don't want to be on video coughing, and it's decent today. So I was like, let me shoot a video, shoot the dogs, show you the dogs, and I just let you know I'm still here. I'm you know, haven't been posting videos because, you know, the weather and my asthma, and so I just want to let you guys know that everything here is good, everything is square, A-okay. And here are the dogs. Fiona, what are you doing? Hey, mamas, look at Fiona. She has on my old dog's jersey, Simba. She's small enough to wear it. I know she won't be able to wear it for too long. Little Miss Fiona, 3 months. I'll be hopefully doing another video later this week. You know, I feed my dogs, you know, raw and kibble. I do raw sometimes, and kibble, I do kibble most of the time, raw meat, you know, when I get my hands on it. So I might make a video of Fiona eating her first raw meat, getting some leg quarters. So we're gonna see, we're gonna do that video with her this week, hopefully. The weather be nice. Zena, Phenom, let's go find your parents. Let's go, come on. I already know where they at. Let's go. Let's go find your parents. Come on. You know where they be at. Come on, mamas. Let's go, mamas. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Leave that alone. Let's go. Where these crazy dogs at? Zena, Phenom. Oh, there they go. Good babies. Y'all look like y'all been up to no good. Probably trying to chase them because I seen the cat earlier. So they probably seen that and smelt it. Come here. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, Zane. Come on, mamas. Fiona, let's go. Nah, she always getting left behind. Fiona, let's go. Come on, little girl. Come on. Vámonos. Come on. Vámonos. Vámonos. Let's go. Look at big boy over there. He just seen a squirrel not too long ago. Hey, big boy. Hey, big boy. Y'all see him. Like, videos don't really do him justice. Seeing him in person, something else. Hey, mamas. Sit down. Zena, sit. Good girl, give him paw. I didn't say jump on me. Back up, shawty. I love you too. Back up. No. Back up. Hey, back up. Crazy dog. Just out here chilling. Want to shoot a video real quick. Excuse me. Back up. Want to shoot a video real quick. A little update. Everything is cool. You know, let you know the reasons why I haven't really been making videos. I love you too, mama. Back up. Zena, come on now. Zena, back up. I know you smell another dog. She smelled one of my friends in the neighborhood's dog on me. Just got through walking. What's his name? Phenom. excuse me, and he was, come here, please. And he was playing with his little friend, so that's what she smelling. Come on now. Zena, get your big tail off of me. Hey, Fiona. Hey, Mama. They just seen a squirrel. Hey, stop chewing on my shoe. Hey, big boy. Zena, get off me. Go play. Go play. Thank you. Fiona went downstairs to get a drink of Wawa, or Aqua. Alrighty then. Fiona, y'all excuse this mess, but it's gonna be remodeled. Do something different with it for next summer. So hopefully this be the last time I've seen it looking like that. But hey, mamas. Hey, pretty mamas. Fiona, what did you got in your mouth? Been working on her training. She's getting better at sit and stay. You know, taking it slow. Come here, Fiona. Hey, pretty. Hey. Hey, mamas. Hey, pretty girl. Alright, y'all. Love, peace. Stay safe. Queen Heart Kennels. Hey, you better not go under the... Hey, little girl. No. No. You're not finna do that. No. Here come Big Head. She love her daddy. Alright, y'all. Peace. Queen Heart Kennels. We out.